हाय, आई एम किरण राव, आई एम द डायरेक्टर ऑफ लापता लेडीज़ और आज हम कुछ सीन्स के बारे में बात करेंगे जो फिल्म में नहीं रहे, जो स्क्रिप्ट में थे लेकिन फाइनल एडिट में नहीं पहुंच पाए. इट्स व्हाट वी कॉल किलिंग आवर डार्लिंग्स. It's called killing your darlings because the reason it's usually there is because it was a darling. Everything that's in the script is your darling, right? You've written it and every scene has been written with an intention. There's a reason that the scenes were there in the first place. So to take it out at the edit stage is always for a very specific reason, usually to do with pacing, to do with something else not working and affecting this scene as a result of it. And then you have to kill your darling. It's a really very brutal sounding phrase, killing your darling, but it is a lot like that. So here are some darlings that we killed.
बैठ जा.
20 रुपया.
ट्रेन रुकवाई का 20.
आधा तो अगले फाटक के गार्ड को जाता है. वो झंडे दिखाएगा तभी तो बिना टेंशन के गाड़ी रुकेगा.
और आधा
स्टूल का. मुन्ना ट्रेन में चढ़ोगे कैसे?
अपना स्टूल ले आएंगे तो 10 रुपया कमती होगा.
ट्रेन भी अपना लिया हो फिर पूरा 20 रुपया बच जाएगा.
The scene was actually written to kind of show how Deepak in some ways is really innocent and he's trying to, kind of use his intelligence to save a little money. He's also in the script, actually in the earlier version of the script, there were moments where you show that he's constantly trying to save money. So he's a bit कंजूस or at least he's a bit prudent when it comes to spending cash. तो वो थोड़ा अपनी जेब टाइट रखता है. और टू एक्सप्लेन कि ये बीच रास्ते कैसे वो ट्रेन पे उठ रहे हैं, वो स्टूल लेके उठ रहे हैं, तो इसलिए वो सीन था. और इसी वजह से फूल को भी पता नहीं होता है कि हम किस स्टेशन से ट्रेन पे चढ़े, इसीलिए वो उनको कहती है
हमारे गांव को कौन स्टेशन नहीं लगता है, खेत के बीच में रेल का पटरी था, वहाँ से चढ़ाया हमको. तो
देयर इज वेरी लिटिल वे इन विच शी कैन बैक ट्रैक एंड टेल देम वेयर शी केम फ्रॉम.
तीन दाने वाह.
कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचे थे कि थाने का चक्कर लगाना पड़ेगा.
जौन परिस्थिति चल रही है ना चारों तरफ विदुर भैया, थाना छोड़िए अदालत और जेल भी जाना पड़े हैं दीपकवा को. हैं?
सही कह रहा है वो.
It came at a time when Deepak was going to go to the police station to make the complaint that he lost his wife, and at that point Vidur gives him this advice that
घड़ी और नया कमीज उतार लो वरना पुलिस उतार लेगा. थाना में समस्या बताओ, हैसियत नहीं.
because the police वो सब उतार के ले लेंगे. तो वो दीपक जब चेंज करने जाता है और विदुर निकलता है ये कह के कि आता हूँ मैं, he is actually going to the village square to kind of spend some time with the elders of the village.
गलती से जिस औरत को अपने साथ लेकर आया है दीपक, वो भी तो शादीशुदा है कि नहीं? भाई दीपक के जैसा उसका घरवाला भी पुष्पा को खोजते थाना जाएगा. वो अगर बोल दे कि दीपकवा जबरदस्ती उसकी बीवी को भगा कर ले आया, उठा लिया, अगवा कर लिया, तो
हे भगवान.
अरे सरकार पुलिस वालों के हाथ में डंडा दिया है पिछवाड़े में घुसेड़ने को, तो बिना घुसाए मानेगी थोड़ी. बताइए.
सही है भाई, सही. 36 खेलो, आपकी बारी.
The reason we took it out was primarily for pacing and because it wasn't giving you any new information. It was more context setting and more sort of for the mood and atmosphere of the film, and also, you know, to kind of show you that the family was also dealing with all kinds of other things outside of the home as well. We took this decision after a lot of thought. These were not, you know, knee-jerk reactions, and I know that what we did was for the best.
दीपू बेटा इतना भोरे भोरे कहाँ चल रहे? रुक जा, बेटा रोटी खा ले।
हमको देर हो रहा दादी।
It's a very, you know, common thing in Indian television and in a lot of the soaps that we watch to see this mother-in-law, daughter-in-law kind of bickering, you know, both of them fighting for one-upmanship in, you know, the family dynamics.
ए यशोदा, जब देर हो रहा है तो काहे रोटी रोटी कर रही है? दही चूड़ा खा ले बेटा।
I really enjoy the scene. It's really funny because when she says, "जब वो जा रहा है, आप क्यों रोक रही हैं?" and does exactly that herself.
अब दही चूड़ा खाए में देर नहीं होगा। याद रखना, तू भी दूगों की सास है, सब यहीं भुगतना है। तो वैसा भी कौन सा अय्यासी कर रहे हो? हमारी तो किस्मत की रजाई पूरा चूहा कुतर गया।
It's not a very serious rivalry, but this kind of power dynamic between mother-in-law and daughter-in-law through the film, it made that resolution which happens towards the end where she says,
अम्मा, आप हम सहेली बन सकते हैं क्या?
ट्राई करें।
that moment is much sweeter when you see them bickering more, a lot more. So that's why the scene was there. We had already set up this kind of prickly relationship between mother-in-law and daughter-in-law early on in the film, when the mother-in-law, you know, says,
यशोदा, हम पूजा करेंगे।
लो कर लो, हाँ? हमारा 13वीं का पूजा भी इन्हीं से करवाना है।
नहीं नहीं, अब तुम ही कर लो।
नहीं नहीं कर लो अम्मा, कहा पता बबलू की शादी तक मौका मिले ना मिले।
नहीं नहीं, अब तुम ही करो।
लो दो फिर।
and this was one more such scene. And so we decided we didn't need it per se. There was enough moments to give you that impression and make that resolution sweet, and that's why we lost the scene. As a director, you've put so much time and effort into creating the scene on paper, creating the scene on film, with the characters or the locations, with setting up. We had whole trains and sequences that we had to take out. So it is a very difficult thing to do, but I think every filmmaker needs to get accustomed to the fact that the overall product is finally what your sights are on, and you really want to achieve the best final film. You might leave a few darlings, sort of the bodies of a few darlings littered along the way, but it might be important to do to make the best possible film. So if you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe to Aamir Khan Talkies.